Hi, so this has just arrived from eBay at I bought spares or repair, and it's a Tomy Caveman game. Junior Caveman versus Dinosaur. So I paid £22 for it off eBay. It was described by the seller as it had been in the loft for 20 years and he was unable to get it working, so let's have a look. There's a slight bit of corrosion on the battery terminals, but nothing I would say excessive. I'll pop some batteries in and we'll see what it does. Yep, totally dead. Right, let's see how it comes apart then. I've got a couple of screws there. I'll tell you what, pop the batteries back in so we can check voltages and things. Right, has something been spilled in this? It's very sticky along this side. I can see a bit of residue or something there, so right. Well, that's a bit of a mess in there. And it looks like the control panel is supposed to be screwed into here and those bits are broke off. And there's loads of grease and gunge around here, so I think the first thing we'll do is clean that off. That's interesting. I've just noticed the arrangement here. It looks like it's also, they use the same board from perhaps a 4-player, sorry, a game that moves in all directions instead of just left and right. Just get rid of the cotton bud. I think I'll take these they actually look rather clean under there, those contacts. I'll take them off and give them a clean anyway, I think. I'm trying not to break them. There we go. Right, I'll use a switch cleaner on these, and just a little bit of paper just to, because it's slightly abrasive. Nice. I'll put these contacts back in place, and then I'll see if we can figure out a way to repair the control panel. Well, these ones are a bit awkward to get back in. Where's my little pick thing gone? Yeah, you can see there's been like a four-way, there's like 4 pads here for like a 4-way joystick. But also you can place this over the top of it if you've just got a game that requires 2 directions. Nice little design feature that. There we go. Let's move this back a little bit. I wonder if we'll just get away with putting some longer screws in this. If we took these bits out, these broken bits of plastic, give this a bit of a clean up as well while we're on. And then trying to reassemble the switch. There we go. It nearly escaped. Now I'll clean up those contacts. I'll just put a bit of switch cleaner. I might apply it directly to the paper first. There's a bit green on that one. Right, we'll see if we can get this in the correct place without anything falling off. Now if I hold this in place, I'm not sure which one's the power button. It still doesn't appear to be doing anything. Right, I'll see if I can find a couple of screws. We'll fasten this panel down first, and then we'll continue. Right, found a couple of screws. I'll just put them in there. They're actually a couple of Milwaukee Torx ones that I had left off something that I couldn't fix. So I thought, right, okay, they'll do for there. Right, I'll have to test meter. I'll see if we've got any voltage on the back here. No, or very little. Right, so there must be some corrosion on the battery compartment as well as the front panel being broken. So I'll go and get some white vinegar and we'll clean up the battery contacts. I have returned with some white vinegar. Right. The contacts actually didn't look that bad, but I guess they're bad enough to stop the flow of the electrons. So That's still not that bad. That's what I'm liking that side. Yeah, they don't look bad at all, so. Now I did have a little needle file somewhere which I could have tried and filed a little bit of the conductor off, but right, I'll tell you what, I'll just try some switch cleaner on it and another cotton swab. I'll just and I'd say out all the contacts, that one looks the worst, but it still doesn't look that bad. I might just give it just a tiny little bit of a scrape here just to and we'll just do that one as well just in case. Right, I'll try that then. Just bend the contact slightly as well, just to apply a little bit more pressure. Ah, I hear something now. Right, it seems to be doing something now. Got something on the display, so I'll just pull the light off a sec. Well, I've got no idea what you've got to do on this. Alright, you've got to grab the egg. Oh well, it seems to be working, so I think we'll just put it back together, give it a final test, and then we'll call this one a fix. Light back on. Might give this a bit of a clean. Right, so I've just finished giving the screen and the case a little bit of a clean here. Things worthy of note: the processor is a NEC D553C, and I like the way how all of the components are actually labelled with the values of them, like a 10 microfarad capacitor at 50 volts here. Similarly, resistors down here, 10k. There's a little transformer down here with a couple of transistors, so that must provide the voltages for the vacuum fluorescent. And I think that's pretty much it. So I'll put the top of it back on. I'll put the little display thing back on here first somehow. And that just kind of sits like that. does it go into this bit first? Right, maybe another one to put together upside down on this one. There we go. I have to put the batteries out to put the screws in that are underneath the batteries. Right then. Yeah, so there we have it. To repairing a Grandstand or Tomy Caveman game. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.